In this video, we are going to fix the Windows Update error code 0xc1900208. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to stop the Windows Update service. So by that, here at the search box, please type for CMD. Once you have typed it, you need to wait until you can see a best matched here, which is the command prompt system. And once you have seen it, please navigate to the right side and go with the Run as Administrator. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. And the moment you have to open the command prompt as an administrator, you need to copy first the command that I have given at the YouTube description. This command will help you to stop the Windows Update service, which is this one. Copy, Control C, and then you need to make a right click to paste it here. Click on the enter key in your keyboard, and once you have successfully stopped the Windows Update service, you need to close this window, and then you need to navigate to the start here, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. So at the settings, we need to proceed to the next step, and that is to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. You can also press Windows key and I key together. In that way, you'd be able to open the settings. So at the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane, locate for system, click on it. And under the system settings, you need to scroll down and find for the troubleshoot. So by that, you need to scroll down here on the list and locate for it. So click on troubleshoot. And afterwards, you can see other troubleshooters. Click on it. And then under the most frequent, go with Windows Update and click on one corresponding to it. Once you have run the troubleshooter for Windows Update, you need to restart your computer. And once you have restarted it, try to update your computer again. Try to update the Windows and check if it's working. Okay? Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.